Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email or username on Nerdwallet. Do you need to update your login email or change the name that appears on your Nerdwallet profile? Here's how to change your email or username in just a few steps. First, log into your account at nerdwallet.com. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select Settings. Now go to the Account Info tab. Here you're going to see your email address and username listed. To change your email, click the Edit button next to it. Enter your new email address and then click Save Changes. A verification email will be sent to your address. Open it and click the link inside to confirm. To update your username, click the Edit button beside your current displayed name and then enter your preferred name or handle and then tap Save. Both changes will take effect immediately after confirmation. Just like that, your profile is up to date and reflects the info that you prefer. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that keep your profile personal and protected. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.